Today the topic of discussion is in doubly linked list. In doubly circular linked list, we'll see how print function is working in doubly circular linked list. So if I say what we have done earlier, we have understood how to create doubly circular linked list, and we have seen menu program over there. Now our job is to print the element of doubly circular linked list. So let's see the menu first. So in a menu, what is menu? In main function, we have created a variable ch of integer type. While one means what? Condition always true. Condition always true. That is, nobody is stopping you to go inside the while loop, because anything other than 0 is always true. Now in while loop, you are watching some print statement in which 1 is representing create, 2 print, 3 insert, 4 delete, 5 exit, and somebody is asking enter your choice. What is your choice from above prints? So my choice is to print. So I'll press 2. So ch will have 2, switch will have 2. I'll jump to case 2, and in case 2 I'm calling what? Create function. So I'm calling this create function. So let's see a print function now. Sorry, I'm calling this print function. So let's see the coding of print function. In print function, I've created a pointer ptr of data type node1. What is node1? I have explained you many times that when we were creating doubly linked list or doubly circular linked list, we have created a structure having name node. There were 3 parts: one data, which is of integer type, 2 pointers, next and previous, next to keep the address of next node, previous to keep the address of previous node, and we have created a variable of this structure node1. We have created the variable of this structure node1, and we have type defined it. So by type defined means what? Now I have made this node1 as the representative, as a representative of this entire structure. So instead of using struct node, you can use node1. Will node1 will do the structure part. So we have created a pointer ptr of node1. Now you have understood. You have a linked list, and your job is to print the data. Your job is to print the data of linked list. Now, is head equal to null? Is head equal to null? No, head is not null, because the value of head is 100. So condition becomes false. The condition becomes, so is head null? No, head is not null, because head is 100. So the condition becomes false, and I'll not print list is empty, because we know that list is not empty. Suppose if head is null, then obviously if the first node is null, then definitely there is no concept of linked list. Now comes the else part. I'll move to the else part. What I did, I have initialized ptr with head, because in for loop, what happened? First we take initialization. So this is the first part. Ptr is equal to head. What is ptr? Pointer. Ptr will have a head. What is head? 100. So ptr will come here. Ptr will come at head position. Now I'll check second part. Is ptr not equal to tail? Yes. Ptr is 100 and tail is 400. Yes. 100 and 400 are not equal. Condition becomes true. The moment condition becomes true, I'll move inside. And what I'll do, I'll print ptr data. What is ptr data? 4. So I'll print 4. The moment I'll print 4, I'll see that there is a tab means there is a space. I'll put space. What I'll do, I'll again go to the increment part of for loop, that is third part, and I'll update ptr will have ptr next. What is ptr next? 400. What is ptr next? Sorry, 200. So ptr will move to 200. Node having address 200. Again, I'll check this second part. Is ptr not equal to tail? What is ptr? 200. What is tail? 400. Yes, ptr and tail are not equal. So condition again become true. I'll move inside, and what I'll do, I'll print ptr data. What is ptr data now? 5. So in this space part, I'll print 5, and what I'll do, and again put a tab, that is, I'll put again a space and increment ptr. Ptr will have ptr next. What is ptr next? 300. So ptr will now come to the node having address 300. Again, I'll check, is ptr not equal to tail? Yes, ptr is 300 and tail is 400. Yes, they are not equal. Since they are not equal, what I'll do, I'll print ptr data. Now what is ptr data? 6. So I'll print 6, and this tab will give space. And what I'll do, I'll again go and increment ptr. Ptr will have ptr next. What is ptr next? 400. So ptr will move from here to here. Now I'll again check the second condition. Is ptr not equal to tail? Yes, ptr is equal to tail. Ptr is 400, tail is 400. Now the condition become false. The moment condition become false, I'll come out of the loop. And now the next line is print what? Tail data. What is tail data? 7. So I'll print 7. So finally I've printed what? 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you see the coding of singly linked list, if you see the coding of doubly linked list, there I have used null. Instead of tail, there I've used null. Why null? Because in singly linked list or in doubly linked list, the last node address, the next address of last node is null. Since in circular there is no concept of null, so if you put null over here, your loop will get into infinite loop. You will trap in infinite loop, and you can never come out of the infinite loop. Because of that we have used what because of that we have used our termination condition tail. That is, the moment you reach tail, you come out of the loop, and the last word will be tail, and you print tail. Fine. So I have tried my level best to explain you what printing is all about. So this is the printing element 4, 5, 6 and 7. So